White pigment is widely used in our daily lives, from oil paintings to interior decoration. These pigments appear white by scattering light of all colors. This mixture of colors is perceived as white by the human eye. The most widely used white pigment is titanium dioxide, but recently there have been concerns that it may pose a threat to human health. What we can see here in the photograph on the left is something which looks like artificial snow. It is in fact a super lightweight, ultra-white material made of pure cellulose. Cellulose is a natural building block which we can find in a wide range of everyday materials, such as in celery and cotton. The photograph is colored, but the only color we can see is white. The scanning electron microscopy image on the right allows us to take a closer look into the internal structure of these cellulose snowflakes. We can see that they are highly porous, filled with holes, which helps them to scatter all wavelengths of light. We believe this environmentally friendly, natural material has the potential to be used as a substitute for titanium dioxide white pigments in the future.